some batteries in. Wiring was an absolute mess. We've had to literally get everything redone. Okay, AA batteries, one in there, one in there. You heard the little beep there of him operating. Put the cover on. Little slot there that feeds in to hold the battery compartment in. And then one interesting thing, this here at the back is the back of the money box, and it clips in like that. You just push down there, slide off. Once again, slip it on there, push it in, that's it in place. Push down, slide it off. Customer wasn't aware of how to get the money back out of it. Okay, so centre buttons are reset. We can reset that. And then you can see it's flashing there, so you can set your time using the buttons. There's two buttons. There's a button there, a button there, a gold button there, and another button there. I'm not sure how these buttons work, but no doubt the customer will have the instructions for it. And basically, got a load of Japanese money that was inside it, so just put the coins in like that. I'm not sure if it's meant to light up when you put them in or do something, but once the clock's set, I'm sure that'll sort out. And then you get your money out, slide that down, and there's your money. Okay, and now you can see it's all settled down, and we've got some blue lights have came on the front. So, not sure what else happens. I'm not even sure, maybe something's meant to happen when you put the coin in. Just by chance we got the blue lights to come on. Maybe if I play about with it a bit more, we might get some more of the effects to light up. But as far as I can see, that's us done as much as we can with this, and we'll get it back to the customer.